Next, journal entries under stock and data system. Stock and data system ಒಳಗ what are the journal entries that we are going to pass? ಮೊದಲನೇದು for goods sent to branch. If the goods have been sent by the branch, it means the head office sent the goods to the branch. In this situation, the entry will become branch stock account debit to goods sent to branch account. Branch stock account debit to goods sent to branch account. Second one, for goods returned by branch. For goods returned by branch, it means the entry will become goods sent to branch account debit to branch stock account. Goods anna branch ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಂದ್ರೆ return ಮಾಡ್ತು. If the goods has been returned by the branch return ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ next ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Next, for goods returned to branch by debtors ಅಂದ್ರೆ purchase ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ branch office ಗೆ return ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the entry will become branch stock account debit to branch debtors account. Branch stock account debit to branch debtors account. Next one, for surplus of stock. Surplus itandra in case of any extra stock has been sent by the head office to branch account. In this situation, branch stock account debit to branch adjustment account. Branch stock account debit to branch adjustment account. Next, for goods sold for cash by the branch. Goods sold for cash by the branch, it means cash sales made by the branch. Goods anna cash sales ge branch sale maditandre the entry will become the branch cash account debit to branch stock account. Branch cash account debit to branch stock account. Next, goods sold by credit. If the goods have been sold by credit, the entry will become branch debtors account debit to branch stock account. Branch debtors account debit to branch stock account. Next, for deficit or shortage, if there is any shortage or deficit, the entry will become branch adjustment account debit to branch stock account. Branch adjustment account debit to branch stock account. Next, for defective goods. In case of defective goods is bantandra branch adjustment account debit to branch stock account. Branch adjustment account debit to branch stock account. Next, for cash received by branch from debtors. For cash received by branch from debtors. Cash received agidre yadinda debtors inda receive agidra the entry will become branch cash account debit to branch debtors account. Next, for bad debts, discount allowed, next, allowance, etc. The branch expense account debit to branch adjustment account. Expense ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂದ್ರ ಆ expense adjustment branch expenses account debit to branch adjustment account. Next, for branch expense paid, if the branch expenses are paid, branch expense paid ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ branch expense account debit to branch cash account. Branch expense account debit to branch cash account. Next, for closing branch account. Closing ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ branch account ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ branch adjustment account debit to branch expense account. Branch adjustment account debit to branch expenses account. Next, for adjustment of loading. In case of loading, so that is the loading entry will become loading on closing stock. Closing stock ಮೇಲೆ loading ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ branch adjustment account debit to branch stock account. Loading on goods return itandra branch adjustment account debit to goods sent to branch account. Loading on deficit or shortage ittaga loading madidandra branch adjustment account debit to branch stock account. Next, loading on defective goods ಏನಾದರೂ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ branch adjustment account debit to branch stock account. Loading on opening stock closing stock ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ if there is a loading on opening stock ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ branch stock account stock reserve account debit to branch adjustment account. Next, loading on goods sent ಮೇಲೆ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ goods sent to branch account debit to branch adjustment account. Goods sent to branch account debit to branch adjustment account. Next, loading on surplus of stock. Surplus ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ branch stock account debit to branch adjustment account. Next, for transfer of profit as per branch adjustment. For transfer of profit as per ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಟು ಜನರಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಂದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಇದನ್ನ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಈ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ನೀವು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೀಡ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡ್ ಇದ್ರ ನೀವು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ there may be no theoretical examination, only multiple choice questions. So after that there is a one concept that we must have to study, that is goods in transit or cash in transit. Goods in transit means goods have been sent by the head office to the branch. Goods have been sent by the head office to branch, but the goods have not to be received by the branch until the completion of the academic year. ಈಗ goods ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ಆನ್ ದ ವೇ.
ನಾ ಈಗ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಕೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ.
The goods have been sent by head office to the branch. Head office ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 31 ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 31. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 31 ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಈಗ ಒಂದು 27, 28 ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ದ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ by the branch within the closing date, in this situation the entry or the narration we must have to be made, that is goods sent to branch or goods in transit. Goods in transit andra on the way. It means on the way means the goods may be received in the shorter format. In subject daga na goods bartate ante. Amage cash in transit means if the cash has been sent by the branch to head office, if the cash has been sent by the branch to head office, if it is not to be reached, for example, now DD is sent ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Nowadays it is an online process. There will be no question of cash in transit. If the cash has been sent by the branch by way of demand draft, in this situation the demand draft will require some time. It will to collect the money. ಹಣ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುವಂತ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಂದ್ರ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 6 days or 7 days or sometime 10 days or 15 days. Minimum 3 days, 15 days to be required. 15 days ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ has been sent by the cash, but till the cash has been not received by the head office up to the close of the accounting year. Close ಆಗೋ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. there may be two methods. ಎರಡು ನಾವು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಳಗ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So this is the